from the top.
Mm-hmm.
The red hat. Ben has a red hat. His dog can run. That dog runs to the log. Ben gets the red hat. Ben gets the hat.
Mm-hmm.
They sit
Mm-hmm.
in the sun.
Good boy. What is the boy's name?
Ben,
What color is the hat?
red,
Who runs?
the dog,
Where does the dog run?
the log,
To the log.
the log,
Where do they sit?
in the sun.
Good boy.